Hello everyone, what's up? It's me, Prey, and you are watching Improve English. Today I'm going to take your vocabulary quiz. This one is called What do you call this in English? I will show you some pictures and you have to give me name of those things in English. And I will give you the answer as well. Okay? Make sure to comment your answers and let me know if you enjoyed this video. What do you call this in English? Stapler. Stapler. What about this? Bed. Bed. What about this? Bus. Bus. And this? Pigeon. Pigeon. What do you call this? Paperclip. Paperclip. What do you call this? Tree. Tree. What about this? Ladder. Ladder. And this? Mirror. Mirror. And this? Ring. Ring. Last one. What do you call this? Fan. Fan. It's a fan. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget you can support me by buying me a coffee. Link is in the description box. Okay? Bye!